are going to test out the cleaning your beauty blenders in the microwave. If you guys like this makeup, I did do a tutorial on it. It will be linked somewhere up here if it is up yet. If it is not, it will be up soon. Also, this wig is from evahair.com. If you would like to check it out, I will link it in the description below. It is gorgeous and it is super rainbowy, and as you can see here, we have some really nasty blenders. We have a couple different kinds. They are heavily used, and I'm sure you can see, especially this one. I can just tell you that they're dirty because I've used them multiple times just for this video. Also have another one that I used today. We're gonna wash them all. Let's get into it. Alright guys, here is my microwave. Please excuse that it's dirty, I didn't clean it. Here I have a bowl of water right here. Please excuse the bad lighting as well. And we are just going to put some regular dish soap into this water, just like so. And then we're just going to mix it. Here is the water. We are going to put our sponges into the water and just let them soak up some of that water. Soapy water, might I add. Just giving them a quick squeeze so they're fully inflated, if you will. Alright, now we're just going to pop them into the microwave. And microwave that for 1 minute. Let's take a look at them. As you can see here, none of that makeup came off. Really on any of them, to be honest. You can still see the makeup on the blue sponge, both of the pink ones. We're gonna pop them back in for an additional minute. Look at them once more. And again, there's still a lot of makeup on these sponges. Come on, man. All of these little videos that I've seen on Instagram and Facebook has said that this works really good. Maybe I just have to squeeze them out into the sink, but to be honest, this water is burning hot, so I wouldn't recommend it. And I also would recommend you use a microwave safe bowl so that it's not super hot when you take it out. I'm just running some cold water into the bowl so that it is a little bit easier to squeeze. Alright. Still burning hot. Wow. Woo! Okay. Let's squeeze these out. Okay, you can see in the water that some of the makeup is coming out. But it's not coming off of the sponge. Alright guys, I am going to call this a flop and say, I don't see how this could work. I could see that it could kill bacteria from the Beauty Blender. But anyway, I just use a good old bar of Zote soap. If you can see this right now, watch how amazing this works. I just get the Beauty Blender wet, like sopping wet. And then rub it onto the bar of Zote soap. This is really, really cheap soap too, so it's not gonna break the bank. Just rub that on the top and around the bottom until you get a nice lather. Massage it into the Beauty Blender. Make sure we just massage it really good. And then I just rinse it out. Just make sure you rinse it out really good so there's no leftover soap. And then you can see that that is way, way cleaner. I do this to all of my sponges. Be gentle or you'll end up with sponges like that. Here are the beauty blenders. I'm just gonna give them one good squeeze. And the back. So, what I think we've learned here is just some old-fashioned soap and water will do just fine. It did not turn out like the videos that I've seen everywhere else. I don't know what shenanigans they're selling, or maybe you know the secret. If you do know the secret, please let me know in the down description below. But as you can see, these blenders are back to their clean self again, and they are ready to beat this face. To be honest, I wash a lot of my beauty blenders while I'm in the shower. Maybe some of you will think that is nasty of me, but oh well! That's what I do, and it's super easy. And that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that subscribe button down there and turn that notification bell on, and you will never miss another one of my videos. And you'll become a part of the Glam Fam. We're gonna be selling merch soon. My name is Josie, and I am really hoping you loved this video. So please give it a like. I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They are also Beauty by Josie K, and I talk to you mostly on those platforms. But other than that, I will see you in the next video. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Bye!